Hello, and welcome back to Hagan's New Jersey PIP Tips, where we bring you monthly segments on New Jersey auto insurance personal injury protection, otherwise known as PIP. It's been a couple months since our last video. We've been real busy here, both in the office and me personally. We'll be this month covering some of the things and events I've been to, my son's graduation, and of course we're going to pick up from the last video where I was telling you about the limited PIP policy expansion and the results that we got in the Superior Court, which were excellent. We have our featured provider of a month, and then we'll pick our winner for next month. So let's get right to it. So lots of exciting things have been going on for the offices and also for my family. I'll start off by saying just last week, we got to go down to Nashville, Tennessee to see my son graduate from Belmont University's honors program. Congratulations, Thomas. Here's some pictures from his graduation. As you can see him in his cap and gown, entering the stadium, which I'm forgetting the name of it right now, but it's where their basketball team plays. Some pictures with the family. It was a very special day, and of course weekend. We made it a big celebration and had an excellent time. So again, congratulations, Thomas. You did it in 3 years, which was impressive also, and we're so very proud, and I appreciate all the support that people have lent you over the years, both family, friends, and even colleagues. Prior to that, in April, I held a Spring Bash networking event at Bar Anticipation. We had a nice turnout. As you can see some of the pictures here, we had some food, some drink, some networking, and I briefly spoke about the Geico class action, which I'll do in a second, along with expansion of the limited PIP policies. I want to thank Hudson Regional Health for being a co-sponsor of the event, and we look forward to doing more in the future. So as you can see from these pictures, it was a good time by all. Following that up in May, I then attended the New Jersey Association for Justice convention. I've been doing this convention now for probably 28 years. So it's where I get my continuing education credit, but also there's a lot of networking and meeting colleagues and providers, both attorneys, medical providers, support services for attorneys. It's a great convention. Here's some pictures here. One with my friend Tim from law school, who works for the state, but a lot of events, a lot of things going on, along with getting credits and going and getting education. I sat in on a seminar on PIP, and particularly heard from Senator Joe Lagana talking about the fee schedule, talking about some proposals in terms of raising the minimum PIP limits and other type of coverage issues. If you'd like to discuss those with me, feel free to reach out to me. You can call me at 732-722-2911, or you can email me at sean@seanhaganlaw.com. I'd be happy to talk about this and any other issues that you are experiencing or information you need, and including what I'm going to discuss next. Prior to the convention, we had the return date from our order to show cause regarding the arbitration award that we lost in arbitration over expanding a limited PIP policy for a permanent or significant spinal cord injury. So this was a case where a patient had a permanent significant spinal cord injury as opined by the treating doctor. He had to have surgery. It felt within it, the insurance carrier authorized the surgery, but then when it went to pay, said, well, here's the rest of the limited $15,000 policy, and refused to pay anything else. My clients appealed, saying this meets the exception under the statute, particularly when they set up this law allowing people to choose limited PIP policies. They always wanted to protect those who suffered catastrophic injuries, and particularly permanent or significant brain injuries or permanent or significant spinal cord injuries or disfigurement. So this clearly met this case. Unfortunately, the arbitrator we had on the case believed that there was the second part of the statute should apply to it. When it's for any other type of permanent injuries, it's limited to immediately following the accident and while in acute care or trauma center until the patient becomes stable. But that's for any other type of injuries. So although we lost at arbitration, when I feel a decision is wrong, I took it to Superior Court. And this case was in Ocean County, and the judge heard it and he found in our favor. He found that it was clearly met the expansion of the limited PIP policy, so it went from a $15,000 policy up to $250,000 standard. And this is by law when it meets the criteria of a permanent or significant brain injury or a spinal cord injury or disfigurement. This is great results. He did an excellent job, the judge, explaining his decision. I just recently obtained a copy of the transcripts. I'd be happy to share this with you. If you'd like more information, or if you have a question whether a patient might, meet the criteria to expand the policy either for a permanent or significant brain injury or a spinal cord injury, feel free, if you're not sure, to reach out to me. So these are, the catastrophic cases that 15,000 or even the 50, the limited PIP policies aren't going to be able to cover. The law grants it, and it makes it mandatory once you establish it as a permanent or significant spinal cord injury. So it was a great result. I appreciate the process. Unfortunately, we had to go this long to arbitrate it. We now got sent back to arbitration because there's still a little bit of issues over the fees of what should get paid. But the fundamental is that they found we have $250,000 worth of coverage to cover this medically necessary treatment. So again, as I said, if you need more information on this, please feel free to contact me, and I'll be happy to discuss this and help you. Next, let's talk about our featured provider of the month, Glassboro Chiropractic. Glassboro Chiropractic is located at 405 North Main Street in Glassboro, New Jersey. You can find them on the internet at backdoctors.com. As you can see from their website here, they take a holistic approach with personalized treatment plan based on your complaints, your injuries. They accept many types of insurance, including automobile cases. They have hours Monday through Friday, starting as early as 9 a.m. and going as late till 6:30 p.m. If you'd like to contact them, you can either schedule an appointment through their website, as you can see here, or you can call them at 856-881-8811. So congratulations, Chiropractic Wellness. Appreciate you being part of our program. If for some reason you have any type of trouble getting in contact with them, you can always reach out to me, and I can establish the relationship. So congratulations. As you know, each month we do a drawing to get entered for the drawing. You only need to communicate with my office any possible way: phone calls, faxes, emails, stop in, any type of communication, sending your demands to be filed for arbitration. We enter you into the drawing. You can win each month. If you don't win this month, there's always next month. So keep the communications coming. And the winner this month is Perrone Wellness Center. Congratulations, Perrone Wellness Center. I'll be in touch with you to feature you in the next video. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video and the pictures we shared. I know it's been a great professional and personal moment these last 2 months. Starting out with having success in the Superior Court, getting the limited PIP policy expanded to the full 250, to hosting the event at Bar Anticipation, getting out, meeting, networking, and discussing PIP issues with people, followed by my NJAJ convention where I got my continuing education, networked with amazing people, amazing parties, and amazing experiences, and then only to follow up with, the greatest personal is one of my sons, Thomas, graduating from college. So it's been a wonderful time. I hope you're experiencing that too. We're now starting to see some great weather come in. I'm about to attend the Association of New Jersey Chiropractor Convention today, and it'll hopefully be a fantastic experience as always. It's also down in Atlantic City. I'll be an exhibitor, and I'll feature that in next month's video. So thank you again. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found these helpful, enjoyed it. And as always, we're never too busy for your kind New Jersey PIP and personal injury referrals. Thank you, and God bless.